session, we are going to take up question 1 to 5 of class 8 Aryabhatta paper 2020 section A. So let's look at the first question. If 47.2506 is equal to 4a plus 7 by b plus 2c plus 5 by d plus 6e, then find the value of 5a plus 3b plus 6c plus d plus 3e. So here we first need to find out the values of a, b, c, d and e. So let's take the given number, which is 47.2506, and let's write it in this format. This is 40 plus 7 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 0 plus 6 by 10,000. So now we can say this is 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 2 into 0.1 plus 5 into 0.01 plus 6 into 0.0001. Now if we equate this, compare this with the given value, which is 4a plus 7 by b plus 2c plus 5 by d plus 6e. So we can now find out the values of a, b, c, d and e. So a is obviously 10, b is equal to 1, it is 7 by b, so b is 1 here. C is equal to 2c, so c is 0.1. Now it says 5 by d. So instead of 5 into 0.01, we can compare 5 by 100. So which gives us d equal to 100. And e is 0.0001. Now we'll put these values in the expression that we have to find the value for. So we are saying 5a plus 3b plus 6c plus d plus 3e. This is equal to 5 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 6 into 0.1 plus 100 plus 3 into 0.0001. So this becomes 50 plus 3 plus 0.6 plus 100 plus 0.0003. So this is nothing but 153.6003, which is option C. So this is the answer to this question. Now moving to the next question. Rahul has a wonderful machine. If we put any number in that machine, it first multiplies the number by 4 and then subtract 8 from the result. Then add the successor of the number inserted to the result. Now if Martin puts the greatest 3-digit number into the machine, what will be the result? Now before starting to calculate, let's first find out what is the output of the machine if we insert number x. So what is the result? It says it multiplies the number by 4 first and then subtracts 8. So it becomes 4x minus 8. And then add the successor of the number. Add to it the successor of this number x is x plus 1. So the result is 4x minus 8 plus x plus 1. So this is nothing but 5x minus 7. Now if the number inserted by Martin is 999. So what will be the result? Result will obviously be 5 into 999 minus 7. Why 999? Because it says greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is 999. So now obviously we can do this calculation and get the result I'll just explain to you a simpler and quicker way of calculating this. Instead of multiplying 5 with 999, which is going to take some time, we can write 999 as 1000 minus 1, and we can put this as this. So this is now clearly 5000 minus 5 minus 7, which is 5000 minus 12, and that is 4988. So this is option 1. Option A is the answer to this question. So now this is the technique that I told. This is very important for us to use these kind of techniques to help simplify our problems and make the calculations faster. Moving to the third question, Sanya started walking from her home towards south. She walked the distance of 15 meters and then took a left turn. So let's start, as we read the question, let's start drawing how is she moving. So let's take this point as her home. Now she is walking towards south, which means like this, and she walks a distance of 15 meters. Right? Now here we have to understand that since she is moving south, she has to be facing in this direction. When she starts from her home, she should be facing in this direction. Now, facing in that direction, if we take, what is her left? This is the left. So she took a left turn and walked 27 meters. Right? So in these type of questions, the important thing is that we should face in the right direction so that we can take the correct left and right turns. If it is south and north, irrespective of the facing, you can just know the direction, right? So like we started from home and we know that she's moving towards south, so we just know that she's clearly moving here. But at this point, if we have to find out what is her left, we have to see where she should be facing. So at this point, after walking 27 meters, she took a right turn. Now to find out her right, she should be facing in this direction, and then this would be her right. So she walks a distance of 17 meters and she reaches her academy. So this is her academy. Now what is in which direction is her home with respect to her academy? So this is this direction. So which is northwest. So option A is the answer. Moving to the next question, B is less than C, C is less than D. So let's again, in this question also, let's simultaneously write it down, whatever information we are getting from the question. So we simultaneously write it down. It says B is less than C. Why are we leaving some space? As we move forward in the question, if there's something to be inserted in between, we can do that. So B is less than C. Now C is less than D. Again we leave some space and we write C is less than D. A is less than B, so A has to come somewhere here. D is greater than E. Now, so D is greater than E, so it means E can come somewhere in between this. And E is equal to B. So this means E is fitting in here. Right? Now choose the correct combination of the greatest and the smallest respectively. So we clearly know D is the greatest and A is the smallest. And we have to write the combination in first greatest and then smallest. So this becomes DA, which is option C. So this is the answer to this question. Moving to the last question of this session. From the numbers given in the following figure, Anika multiplies the smallest prime number and the greatest number. So let's first find out the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is 2. And we have to take the greatest number from the given number. So this is the greatest of the given numbers, 6. and then add the remaining numbers to the product. So the product of the smallest prime number and greatest becomes 2 into 6, and we put the brackets because then we have to add it. So we have to follow this first and then the addition. So then add the remaining numbers, which are 1, 3, 4 and 5. So we get 12 plus 13, which is 25. So this is option D. So friends, if you like the video, please share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on the new sessions.